Good morning, dear students of class 5. Today we will do an activity based on chapter From Tasting to Digesting. In this chapter, we have learned about nutrients like carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins, and minerals present in food items. And for keeping ourselves healthy, we need to eat fruits and vegetables as they are protective food and protect us from many diseases. But as you all know that nowadays coronavirus is spreading all over the world. So it's very important to know how to disinfect the fruits and vegetables before consuming. So in this video we will learn different ways to disinfect fruits and vegetable. Let's start with the first method. In this method, we require 4 cups of warm water and 2 teaspoons common salt. Now we have taken warm water, common salt and few veggies. Now let's start. First we take 4 cups of warm water. Water must be warm, not very hot. So take 4 cups of warm water in a bowl and then we have to add 2 teaspoon common salt. Add 2 teaspoon common salt in this lukewarm water and mix it. And after mixing, the solution will form. Then you have to use this solution for disinfecting these veggies and fruits. What you have to do, you have to dip these veggies inside this water, rub it and then leave it inside the water for at least 5 to 10 minutes. After leaving for 5 to 10 minutes, take out the vegetables and wash it through the running tap water and then keep it in a side. Then you can use it for consumption. Now move to the next method. In this method, we require 1 cup water, half cup vinegar and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. So let's start making a solution. Here I have taken water. So we need 1 cup normal water. Let's take it in a bowl and here I have taken vinegar. We need half cup vinegar. So here I am taking half cup vinegar. I have taken half cup. Now we require 1 spoon lemon juice. So here this is lemon juice. I have taken out lemon juice. So here I will add 1 teaspoon lemon juice and make a solution. So what things I have added? I have taken 1 cup water, half cup vinegar and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Then I will take the veggies and dip it inside the solution and rub it. Rub it softly. Leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take out these veggies and Leave it for few hours. You may also wipe the water using soft cotton clothes and leave it for few hours, then you can use it. Now come to the next one. In this method we require 2 teaspoons baking soda and 1 cup water, along with it 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Let's start making the solution for disinfecting fruits and vegetables. Here we have taken normal water, lemon juice and baking soda. So let's start making disinfectant solution. First we take 1 cup of normal water in a bowl. Then we add 2 teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoon baking soda we will add in this water. Baking soda is having a good antibacterial property. And now we will add 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Lemon juice is a good natural antibiotic. So this solution will help in removal of germs from the surface of vegetables and fruits. Now after mixing it properly, we will dip vegetables and fruit in this solution and rub it softly with our hands and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes like this. And after leaving for 5 to 10 minutes, take it out from the solution and you may use a cotton cloths to wipe it, and then you can consume it. The solutions that we made in these 3 methods will remove the pesticides present on the surface of the vegetables and fruits, as well as they will kill the germs. But many vegetables are there which we cannot dip in water as they get spoiled, like onion and green leafy vegetables. So what we have to do? We have to sprinkle these disinfectant solution over them and leave for few hours. Then we can consume them. As per the quantity of fruits and vegetables, you may increase the amount of solution as well. So, dear student, help your parents in disinfecting fruits and vegetables by doing this activity at home. Thank you.